Okay. Oh, it's gonna be this one maybe? Yeah, okay, so switch the camera. Anyways, I'm really excited. It's been a little bit since I had a chance to do streaming. And we're not doing code strictly today. We're doing some of the other parts of my job, which I really enjoy. And I normally don't get to show really anything beyond the code, just because, like, most of the other stuff is meetings and things that, like, people don't really like live stream them. Understandable. But this Monday we've got a event coming up. Very excited for it. It's the Women Plus in open source in Menlo Park. And so I've got some things that I need to get ready for that. And so I'm going to be doing, I think, two things there. I've got it on my little handy work laptop right in front of me. One of them is going to be a sort of day in the life of open source developer. And the other one is going to be more sort of like a workshop kind of like thing, not quite, but something to try and get more people involved in the Spark project, which is something that I'm passionate about. And on Friday, I'm going to be doing that to sort of a maybe broader or mixed audience in the Seattle Bellevue area. So if you're up in the Seattle Bellevue area and you've got a free Friday afternoon, I'd love to see some folks there. Even if you're already contributing to Spark, it's always good to have more people there. But especially if you're new contributing to Spark, I'd love to see you at either of these events. So, how are we going to get started? So first things first, I think we should work on a getting started list. Because the day in the life of stuff, like worst case scenario, I can kind of wing it. Getting started, the Spark Jira is pretty disorganized. So we're going to go ahead, Spark starter issues. And then I already do have a getting started contributing to Spark talk. And so we're going to actually refresh that too really quickly. It's from back in 2020. And so here we go. I'm going to make a copy of this. And actually, let's go ahead and switch it so that y'all can actually see what I'm working on. Here we go. You can see I've got my talks organized by year. And so we're going to go... I've got a bunch of things named 2025. So let's go all locations. My drive. I'm going to go down to like it's conferences or talks, conferences. And then 2026. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna update this really quickly. My Spark Dev in the Bay Area at Snowflake. Yeehaw. Yeah. These are mostly pretty solid. How out of date is this? This is actually still pretty up to date. Okay. Historically, now we use GitHub issues too. Now we use GitHub issues too. Cool. Yeehaw. Okay. Let's see. Building the Spark docs. Guide is if you try and build it without the container, it will likely fail. Shout out to Celeste. who experienced that hard way recently. So build the container first. Why? Dependency management. No, but cool. There we go. Okay. Awesome. Okay. This is kind of long. Okay, cool. That's fine. So that's we'll probably only like use some of them. But you know, it's a place to start. So let's go ahead and we're gonna look for starter issues. Let's start with GitHub issues because those are probably going to be more appealing. Oh, damn it, we only have 11. Okay. Hmm. Oh yeah, let's go ahead. Yeah. I think Devin already did some of this too. Would be good to sync. Cool. This is not a good starter issue, but um, yeah. Um, this is probably also not a great issue. Let's keep going. Um, okay. Yeah, okay, none of these are great starter issues yet. And that's sort of to be expected, right? Like, we only recently opened up GitHub issues until recently it's been disabled. And even then, like, while it's open, I know that I personally am much more likely to go to Jira just because that's what we've been using for so long. And I imagine that's probably true for most people who are already involved in the project, whereas new people, that might be different. Okay. So let's assume that we're going to have to find our starter issues for people in Jira. And let's think about what is going to make good starter issues. Ooh, this is a great issue. It's a terrible starter issue. It's a great issue, though. Okay, issues. Well, let's start with PySpark issues. Because those tend to be a little bit easier. In part because like most of the time we do our like complex logic inside of Scala, so the Python stuff tends to be a little bit easier. Okay, so we want to know it's to um, Okay. This sucks. Okay, fine. We'll ask PR. We'll ask Jiro. No, sorry, not Jiro. Ask AI for this. Okay. In the ASF Jira, we get issues which have PRs linked to them. My PySpark. Without a GitHub issue linked under links to. Ideally, still return if links to another Jira issue. Okay, cool. Let's see if it'll give me a decent answer because I hate Jira. Okay, well, meantime, oh, did these all have pull request available? Okay, yeah. And labels is empty or labels not in full request available. Let's see, gonna work. Okay. This could be okay. Yeah. Okay. Type hint clarification. This one, no. Bad starter issue. Explore. Oh, this is interesting. Interesting. Yeah. Yeah. I like it. Not a good starter issue. Also, not a good starter issue. It's not very clear. Oh, and while we're here, actually, let's go ahead and see, edit labels. Where is labels? Okay. Starter. Okay. Good first issue. NumPy conversions are probably a little too funky. Function. This could be a good first issue. First issue. Okay. Timestamp docs are incorrect. Let's keep going. Benchmarking, not a good first issue. Ooh, interesting. This is funky. I don't know, this might be too much for a starter issue, although it could be okay. Hmm. Why is this still open? Um, yeah, okay. Um, so all the subtasks resolved. Cool. Hmm. Refactoring is like one of those things which is like generally not a great first issue. Although it does have the benefit of having good test coverage. Um, hmm. Oh, interesting. It's a sign. Oh no, it's got a shepherd. Um, uh, okay. What is this? Addition of column. This could be interesting. Um, ooh. This. Um. Um. Yeah. Hey, Julian. We don't normally assign issues. Um. Hey, go for it. Cool. Windows 11. Oh, that's gonna be weird. For columnar bash interface, that's probably also okay. Um, this might be yeah, this is probably an okay starter issue. Again, I could be wrong about this one. I think it could be good. Um, good first issue. Um, support. Let's keep going. This is also probably no. Um, interesting. Why is this PySpark? I like it. Um, hmm. But I don't think it's, well, this might actually be not terrible. Um, go ahead. String. I think this one, add UUID v7 support. Okay. Hmm. apply SQL define scalar. Let's keep going. Interesting. This could be good. Yeah. I mean, this could be good. Um, value. Huh. Hmm. Okay. Um. Yeah. Probably also. Okay. We'll Python 2 classes. Hmm. Um. This. Not really. Oh. Yeah. No. We need Jackson. But yeah. Um, hmm. Interesting. Oh. Ah. This is actually a really good issue. I think. New line eval. Um, it's a paper cut. It's a really great paper cut. Okay, let's keep going. Whoa. Okay, user guide. Probably these are too big. Doot. Okay. Go ahead. Docs. Update PySpark docs. Improve Python unit tests. Okay, we've got. Have more issues we want to add. All of the subtasks are resolved. And there we go. Let's keep going. This might be okay. Do we have enough? Oh, right. Let's see. Okay. Oh, precision increase. Oh, decimal rounding. Oh, God. I don't. No, let's stay away from that. This seems like something. Ooh. This is interesting. Let's go ahead and add this in streaming. Okay. Restart callback. Oh. I hate to have tools. Or I don't hate to have tools, it's just annoying. This issue doesn't have enough information for me to know, but let's see if we can find this code that this person says they found. It's going to be inside of PySpark, a Python. I can't find it. Where? Where is this? Where is this? Improve. This is. Um, hmm. Um, might be resolved. Worth checking. These are all both probably relatively good issues. Interesting. Okay. Let's go. I don't really want mobile. Okay. Let's take a look at this issue. Hmm. Hmm. Interesting. this error error repo. This is it. Are you know, it's frustrating when issues don't have repros, especially when they're like bugs like this. No. Okay, same. Um, mm, okay. Hmm. Hmm. This should be done. Verified, not done. Okay. Um, all right. Type instructors. Verified, not done. Okay. Ooh, I like this. Probably not. Huh. Hmm. Okay. Let's grab this one. Let's grab this one. This could be good. Cool. Okay. That's probably great for Python. I don't think we're gonna get that many more people wanting to work. Maybe we will though. You never know how many people are gonna show up. And then you don't want to have to be like digging through the Jira wallets. Oh, interesting. Hmm. Hmm. This is probably. Hmm. Okay, wait. Uh, this is already implemented in Python. Don't. I mean, hmm. We probably need to do this. Yeah. Hmm. If it's already in PySpark, where do they want it? Okay. These oh. Is should we implement it client side? I don't think so. Or add another message for another that you're suggesting at Ole. Cool. We've gone through these in quite some time. Oh, that's bad. Dude. Huh. Uh, mm. Yeah, I do not think this is supposed to happen by design. Okay. SQL warehouse stir. Okay. Warehouse directory escaping. Okay, cool. Solid. Now let's drop off the component part. This could be a good SQL issue. Error message improvement. JDK 20. Okay. With Oh, this is Kent is working on this. Love this. Oh, this reminds me of something I kind of want to send to O'Reilly folks. Okay. Okay. Um, okay. We should do this, but that's not a started issue. Ooh, I like this. I like this, but I suspect Kent's gonna work on it. But if he doesn't, yeah, no. Okay, add and export. Um, yep. JDBC predicate pushdown drops driver properties causing connection failure. Interesting. Oh. Hmm. This could be a good first issue, I think. Okay, JDBC predicates. We'll put this under SQL. Config lost with JDBC predicates. Keep going. Interesting. Yeah, we already got this one. Integrate auto repair. This is cool, but also probably. Oh, okay. Oh, Devin's working on this already, I guess. Yeah. Okay. UI. I don't. Mobile-friendly tables. I'm not convinced a lot of people are using the Spark UI from a phone. Well, it's not bad. I'm not going to suggest it to people as something they should do. Ooh. This seems good too, but also a big refactoring issue. Better for Kent to take this on, I think. Um, oh, interesting. Uh, um, yeah. Yeah. Um, at the very least, let's document it. Document array contains. Okay. Uh, document array contains behavior. Oof. Ooh. Um. Uh. Um. I don't know. I don't know. Eh. I don't know. I don't know about this. I've seen the Google mirrors behave badly with the AIDS project a bunch. I'd rather push consistency the other way. Yeah, or at least go Google regular Maven and fallback. Google mirrors are hot trash, and I don't know why. Google could be better, but yeah. Um, Ooh, this is interesting. Also, probably though a little big. I don't know what primitive is. Let's skip it. Could be private. I don't want to. Oh, the CDC one. Fascinating. Not a good starter issue. Um, also, ooh, interesting. Oh, okay. Huh. Oh, there is a PR though. Oh, but the pull request available didn't happen. Okay, interesting. I don't know why that didn't happen correctly. Um, hmm, don't know enough about web security. This is from Dongjun. Yeah, let's keep security issues out. Um, do we want to? I think this is something. This could be good. We'll put this under docs. Add gluten. Yeah, it's good only if you've used gluten before. I think that's a good note. That seems fine. Ah, Um, this could be good. I don't, it's probably pushing it. Yeah. Okay. Let's add a note. The SPIP has passed and been accepted. I'm going to make a PR updating the docs next week. I don't know enough about. Okay. Oh, interesting. Oh, fudge. Maybe a good issue. Um, emoji matching. Maybe a good issue. Maybe a path to crazy banana pants. Um, would be good to investigate and summarize findings back to Jira at least. Okay. Um. Ooh, fascinating. Okay. Docs. There's a PR though. Why is this not tagged as PR available? Let's go look at the PR. Probably I need to update the PR title. Oh, the types framework. Yes, also not great. Don't assign CVEs and public bug trackers. That's not good. Uh, yeah. Okay. Let's go see here. Was this merged? Okay, I see this is closed last month. Okay. Um, just to confirm, this resolves. Uh, so we should sign it and close it. I'm confused. Oh, following this. Okay, yeah, so this is a good follow-on issue. Okay, yeah, this is a docs change. Fantastic. Love it. Streaming trigger. Okay. Ooh, I like this. Pull request is filed though. Who is this Ignite TC bot? No, did we switch the bot that we're using? That's why. I don't know. Interesting. Sure. Yeah. Um. I don't know. I. Uh. normally don't file CVEs to the public tracker. Can you check to you believe Spark is impacted? If it's a just you should upgrade, since it's be flagged by automated scanners that don't know better. Leaving it as it is. Hmm. Oh. May have pull request extended. What? Maybe I'm gonna put this under maybe. Maybe IDK worth a search to see if this PR happens or not. Hmm. Oh yeah, we already got this one. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, no. I don't think changing the default for Iron Plot and Spark is largely tuned for large jobs. We should we haven't done a lot of additional plans, but we could try and make one. Local mode, for test folks, maybe. I don't think this is transpile flow control logic. Oh, this one's me. Ooh, I like this one. Oh, okay. I need to work on these, but realistically, I'm gonna work on them maybe a little bit next week. It's been a busy time. I like this. It's not a good starter issue though. It's a big issue. Oh, interesting. Yeah. Also, no, not a good starter issue. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. If you're familiar with RocksDB, if you're familiar with RocksDB, could be a good place to file a sub issue and do one optimization. Cool. Keep going. Huh. Wait. Oh, interesting. Um, yeah. Um, okay, Python. Interesting. This is overly specific for us to try and. Well, maybe not. This is a great idea. Also, probably not a good starter issue. Um, this looks. Don't we have this released? Maybe we don't. Re-enable constraint tests when Iceberg supports Spark 4.1. I think it does. Iceberg Spark. Releases. Oh, no, still only 4.0. All right, keep on going. Okay. We're going to skip the additional Python ones for now. Oh, interesting. Uh, yeah. This is interesting. It's probably this is I'm gonna go this is gonna go, yeah, stretch. Um Parallelism and directory listing. Kind of a stretch. For uh, um, okay. How are we doing? We're at about an hour. Hmm. Uh, maybe, maybe. Yeah, but this doesn't seem terrible. Sorting keys and JSON. Two apps are running to the same table. Nope. Nope. Not my monkeys, not my circus. Actually, unfortunately, my monkeys, but not my circus. Okay. Or other way around. Cogen support. Oh, yeah, this seems like a. Okay. Yeah. Improve cogen. Okay. How are we doing on time? It's 2 o'clock. I'm giving it about an hour. That sounds me. Okay. Um. Uh. Yeah. Sure. This is more of a Python thing. Actually, this might be pushing. I mean, this should be relatively simple. Add a Spark show command. For Spark pipelines. Let's ask Sandy. Okay. Or is it more to show the table in? I think it's okay. That's funky. Oh, but no repro. I mean, that makes sense. We can't really reverse a binary. You could. Okay. Nope. Uh, hmm. Um, okay. Oh God. Touching daytime code is the path to madness, so we're not going to send anyone down that. Okay. Well, I don't have that image, and I don't have the error, so I don't know. But let's ask. What's the error? The image. Okay. Um, is that true though? Okay. ANSI SQL type coercion. Um, yeah. Okay. ANSI SQL implicit typecasting. Yep. I don't. This seems more like a NASA Pluck. Could be wrong though. Okay. Hmm. This is good, but I think it's too complicated for a starter issue. Um. What? Okay. Uh, yeah, this is probably interesting, but not great for a starter issue again. Lance file format, probably not great. Uh, um, yeah. Hmm. Cool. Uh, another Python one. Yeah. Um, I don't. Um, yeah. This could be a interesting core issue. Um, huh. Uh, Python trigger for RTM. Oh, this is the real time. Ooh, this sounds nice. Um, but well, interesting. Um, huh. Yeah. This seems like a Jackson issue. I don't want to. Yeah, dependency upgrades are. This one's gonna be gnarly. Um. hmm, No. Um, huh. Incorrect aggregation. Oh, floating. This is probably the path of madness again. Um, proto buff doc. Maybe fixed. Okay. Um, hmm. Yes. Uh, Go ahead. Get an ASF Jira account. Good start. I'm sorry. Okay, cool. Uh, okay. Yeah, you know what? We've got probably enough starter issues for at least Monday. We might need more for Friday. We'll see how many people will use them on Monday. Yes, this happens. Hashtag. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this does seem good, but probably not a good starter issue either. Oh. Hmm. I don't want to go and tell this person to stop. This one. Okay, what's this? I don't. That's some random tool. Okay. You can always build your own Docker image with OpenJDK. My mouse. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. Resolve issue. Resolution won't fix. Resolve. Hmm. Huh. Yeah. I don't. What's. I don't. I don't think this is great. Great addition. The option to use this property is to set up access from remote file systems, etc. So I'm inclined to say no. This is file resolution. Yes, this is the thing, but it's a local mode issue that I really It's super rare, and local mode isn't really intended for protection use anyways. So I don't know. I don't have enough context because there's literally nothing. Oh, this seems like an interesting idea. Uh, yeah, okay. Uh, Spark connect with Rust. Okay, right. I was gonna stop working on this and work on my other like day in the life of. So let's do that quickly. New day in life of Spark OSS dev. I don't know. Let's go ahead. Put this over in. It's going to be conferences 2026. Yeah, it's not really a conference, but like whatever. Let's go see. Ooh, I got some TMs. Oh, okay. Okay. Go find day in the life. Nope. Okay. In the life. I don't know. What am I? Yeah. Okay. Day in the life of a contributor. That is. That's the extent of what I agreed. We don't have any other context. Let's. Cool. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna grab some of my other generic slides. Let's rename this to. And 2026. Okay. Who am I? Okay. Yeah. New slide. The different days we all have. It's okay. Not every day is gonna be. Last week, got my day again. Or a crash. Life happens. Uh, All right. Duplicate slide. Okay. What do you do? Wake up. Company email. Company calendar check. Okay, let's go. OSS email check. Security issues first, if any. And the calendar check. Party on. Review dashboard time. Figure out what to review. Look for things. We need to summarize back to product teams. Spark-prs.hubspot.com. Need a funny made version. Slack. Slack time. Bathtub. Possible. Okay. Okay. Let's. Okay. Everything is email. I'm like, bathtub. Okay, let's go find a bathtub photo that I've taken. Here we go. Let's make it better. So much. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. Not that. Go away. Okay. Extra. OSS. Security reports. MC slash maintainer. OSS PRs. OSS PRs. People being nice, people being weird, etc. Members at or equivalent. Foundation. For foundation steering. Consensus building. Building emails. Okay. New slide. Okay. Okay. Copy. Find one. Should have some copies friends around here. Find one with another open source developer. Find a happy one. I know I have way more copy pictures than this. Okay. Scott, probably don't have enough pictures of him yet. That's two. That's maybe. Let's okay. Okay. Day in the life of a Spark contributor, or the parts that are different from consensus building copy. Okay, let's see. Let's see, old one. Oh yeah, okay. We can. This one's good. Okay. Emails, copy, in person. Emails, copy, Zooms up to copy. Okay. Syrup. The consensus building email. So much email. Optional. Location. Everything's email, but you can have some locations. No. Okay. Compute coding. Not all that different from then we're in company coding, except need to build consensus. If people disagree, you get stuck. If people disagree, you can get stuck. Different amounts of shared goals. Different amounts of shared goals. Also, you can do this in fun places. Also, you can do this in fun places. Okay. Okay. Security. You can do this in fun places. You can stream it. Security. Probably we do this in fun, non-public coffee shop. Security. Only some. Security incidents. Security incidents. Yeah, I generated security reports are evil. Okay. Fine. There's a fun place. I guess I don't know. Okay, where's the nicest place I've been while dealing with a security incident? Probably Hawaii. Okay. Different company. Okay. Well, no. Okay. Security incidents. Um, Okay. Design docs. Design docs. Now your design docs get reviewed in public. Yay. Okay, day in the life of what's a good image for design docs? Okay. Writing. Let's go. Select. Start. Okay, it's not loading. Love that. For me, new version of this book coming June 16th. This is really fantastic. Writing. After the day is done, I have to work on books. I'm gonna do strike through. Formatting. Options? No, there's like a. Where's strike through? Feel like. Okay. Little dots. Strike through keyboard shortcut. Okay. Alt Shift 5, maybe? Let's find out. I enjoy it, but continue to blur. On often direct pays. Okay. We'll go ahead and shut this at the end. Okay. It's a good. Good image for emails. Oh, actually, I think I do. Let's go over here. Or we can do it another time. Cute. Connecting people. Let's go. Maybe. Okay. Working on a deck for Monday about investment trip stuff. Would it be okay if I shared some nerd of text making create upgrades? There we go. Let's go find some more. Uh, um, what the hell is this? Oh yeah, this was somewhere. I don't know. I was wearing a dress that was way too short. Uh, um, doot. Not an everyday thing. Every day. Connecting people, finding reviewers. Not an everyday thing. Getting to see some of them. Um, whatever. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. Let's one more. Oh, the one with Paco and a bunch of people on. I love working with Paco. He's amazing. And I want to hide me. Okay. Maybe. Okay, whatever. Okay. And Shoot. Email, consensus building, email, Zoom, up to coffee and syrup. Okay, let's find maple syrup picture. Maple syrup. Oh, I love this. Maple syrup still. Why you no paste? Send it to the background and make sure maple syrup is all visible. Let's find a crash motorcycle. Look at those. Okay. Coding. Okay, we wake up, we do email, extra OSS emails, we do some coding, spend time consensus building, focus on community, security incidents you can still handle from somewhere nice, but you can't go to a coffee shop. AI generated thoughts are evil. Okay. Yes. Okay. What else? Mm, okay. Um. Mm-hmm. Good and bad. Um. Changing jobs does not mean. This is good and bad. Um. Okay. It's good and bad depending on the community. Depending on community level of learning. Easy to hit the ground running, as it were. Yeah, okay. Writing, security incidents, uh, communicating, OSS internally. Can do this in cool places. Sometimes it'll make you show up to an office in Menlo Park. In case less fun, uh, less fun than insert your favorites place. Um, super duper important. Super duper important. Because you're visible externally. Um, mm, Flag stream needed for the house, etc. Um, internal folks, and focused folks, navigate community, keep track of your work in snippets because less people will be playing with it. Mapping um, map to internal. Okay. Every OSS job different. Every OSS job is different. I've worked at a lot of places. I've worked at a lot of places, and each one, the balance has been different. Sometimes it shifts after you join. Often you're building. Is your building? Once done. What companies? Lots of freedom. Very low now. Uh, nope. I don't have a lot of pictures of my park for the dog. That makes sense. Motorcycle. There. Got a bunch of broken motorcycle pictures. Very few pictures of me going to work. Probably because if I'm going to work, I don't. It's like a thing I can do. Not super stoked about it. So not normally taking a lot of pictures. Yeah. I guess we can, whatever. I wish I had a picture from the time I ran out of gas on the way home from Netflix. That time was funny. And by funny, I mean terrifying. But you know. Okay. Crop image. Great. These snippets. Duplicate slide. I leave you with two things. Three things. Let them be. Okay. Be kind to yourself. And don't let OSS take over your life. Kind to yourself. Don't let OSS take over your life. Snippets. What did you do? What did you do? A game changer for surviving the corporate world as an OSS dev, community of code. Don't let work over your life, even if it is OSS. All right. Easy to hit the ground running, as it were. On all communities are great at some communities, assholes. Some communities of assholes. That's nice. Dude. community, your level of burnout. Can still change projects. I've worked on different jobs. Oh, right, okay. Mm-hmm. Promotion? Not exactly. Well, no, let's drop it. Okay. Yeah, this isn't perfect, but it's good enough. I'll iterate on it more over the weekend. Because we've been working on this for 2 hours. It is 4 o'clock on a Friday. I'm going to cut out early and go do other things that are not work. So thanks for joining me. We did some slides, actually two different presentations for Monday. We also went through a bunch of JIRAs and we pulled out things that could be good for people to start with if we get people who are interested in contributing to Spark. And we also left comments on a bunch of JIRAs that we just found while we were going through stuff. I did want to do a little bit more coding today, but honestly, I don't think it's going to happen. It's just one of those days. I'll get back to it probably on Tuesday because I think Monday is going to be busy with this event. As a reminder, if you are a woman plus in the San Francisco Bay Area, on Monday we have an event for people interested in open source. You can register. Similarly, up in the Seattle Bellevue area this coming Friday, so today, if we're interested in contributing to Apache Spark, there's an event that you can register for too, and we'll walk you through getting your first PRs in. So thanks everyone for joining me. I really appreciate it. I know that you probably have better things to do with your Fridays. So thank you all so much. Bye.